Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 4-gauge diesel set for the 92 to 97 Ford F-Series. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 1500-degree exhaust gas temperature gauge, a transmission temperature gauge, and a 100 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge, all featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the package, you'll see a 52mm analog 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog 1500-degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 92 to 97 Ford F-Series installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a fuel pressure sensor, a 3-foot sensor and power harness for your transmission temperature gauge, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, 2 3-foot power harnesses, a boost line T-fitting, mounting brackets and hardware, pillar pod mounting hardware, a 4-gauge pillar pod, a 4-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.